don't think they're as consistent as we are. And then we have other small things that um, differentiate us from the others. And I actually read a quote recently that said, laundry is like love in that it's the small things that count. So those little details that you apply to your customers, to your laundry, to your laundromat is what's going to differentiate you from your competition. And, this is where you stand out. This is where you make something that's on, I'm in New York. This is what differentiates you from the laundromats that are on every block because there's so much competition
So
here.
many. Yeah.
So those little details, it makes it personal. And people are now, the laundry is a personal space. It's a personal thing. So the fact that you're bringing personal to the table, your customers are more comfortable bringing something more personal to you as well. I named my laundromat Mr. Cleaners because when I was starting off, I was a teacher. So my laundromat has chalkboard paint. My folding tables are lab desks from a school. The chairs inside are student chairs. So, there's a lot of ways that you can add your personal touch to your laundromat, and in turn, it'll be a reflection of you. It'll be more fulfilling to you, and it'll add to your laundromat's theme, so to speak. And
Yeah.
yeah.
Dude, I love, I remember, I mean, we talked about that. By the way, if you haven't listened to the first episode with Nick, it was episode 160, incredible show. We talked about your theme for your laundromat. And I love that. I mean, you said, oh, dude, I was trying to write it down. I didn't get it down fast enough, but I'll have to go back and snatch it because it was a great quote. But you said something along the lines of, laundry is personal. And when you give something personal, it makes your customers feel better about giving you their personal stuff, like their laundry. That's their dirty underwear, right? It's very personal. But I loved that.